Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the BOSGAME E2 Mini PC, and before you make a choice on your next compact computer, you absolutely need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research and testing, and as always, you'll find the link to the best price in the description below. So you clicked on this video to learn whether the BOSGAME E2 is worth your investment. We're evaluating everything from price point to performance capabilities and real-world usage scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The BOSGAME E2 Mini PC's standout feature is undoubtedly its AMD Ryzen 5 3550H processor, delivering exceptional performance in an incredibly compact form factor. This 4-core 8-thread powerhouse turbo boosts up to 3.7 GHz and comes equipped with integrated Radeon Vega 8 graphics, making it a remarkable choice for professionals and home office users who need reliable multitasking capabilities without sacrificing desk space. At just $239.99, this mini PC offers outstanding value with its pre-installed 16GB DDR4 RAM and lightning-fast 512GB PCIe 3.0 NVMe SSD. The dual-channel memory configuration ensures smooth performance whether you're running multiple applications simultaneously like Word, Excel, Chrome, and streaming 4K content. Furthermore, the expandability to 32GB RAM provides future-proofing that many competitors in this price range simply don't offer. One of the most impressive features is the triple-screen display capability. With two HDMI 2.0 ports supporting 4K at 60 Hz and an additional USB-C port handling 1080p output, creative professionals, stock traders, and productivity enthusiasts can create an expansive multi-monitor setup. This versatility transforms a tiny box into a productivity powerhouse that rivals traditional desktop setups. The connectivity options are equally remarkable. Dual-band Wi-Fi ensures faster internet speeds for streaming and gaming, while Bluetooth 5.0 provides lower latency connections to wireless peripherals like keyboards, mice, projectors, and speakers. Additionally, the advanced cooling system maintains optimal temperatures even during intensive multitasking sessions, preventing thermal throttling that often plagues compact PCs. Moreover, the BOSGAME E2's flexibility extends to operating system compatibility. Supporting Windows, Linux, and Ubuntu, users can choose the OS that best fits their specific needs, whether for development work, media server applications, or general computing tasks. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for tech enthusiasts and developers who appreciate having options. The build quality reflects careful engineering, with the compact chassis measuring small enough to mount behind a monitor or tuck away in entertainment centers. Despite its diminutive size, the E2 doesn't compromise on port selection, offering multiple USB ports alongside the display outputs for comprehensive peripheral connectivity. However, one notable downside some users may find limiting is the maximum RAM speed of 2400 MHz. While adequate for most applications, power users running memory-intensive virtual machines or specialized software might prefer faster memory speeds available in larger, more expensive systems. Additionally, the integrated Vega 8 graphics, while capable for everyday tasks and light gaming, won't satisfy hardcore gamers expecting to run the latest AAA titles at high settings. The included 1-year warranty covering design and workmanship defects, combined with dedicated after-sales support, provides peace of mind for your investment. With a solid 4.4-star rating on Amazon, real users consistently praise its performance, quiet operation, and exceptional value proposition. You got it. So that's it for the best mini PC on the market for this year in the budget category. Like this video if it helped, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.